All right, let's take a look at home link 9.12, and this is all review, so it shouldn't be too tricky, especially the lattice method. I think we know pretty well. And as always, I'm going to make an estimate here, and my estimate is going to be 20 times 40, which would give me somewhere close to 800, but I rounded 35 all the way up to 40, so I know it's going to be less. So if it's a little bit less than that, I'm not going to be too alarmed if that happens. And now we can do the lattice method. Hold on here. Which is, again, at this point, just review. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 3 would give us 6. 2 times 5, 10. And then I'm going to add those diagonally. So I've got 735 as an answer. And again, I knew it would be less because of the rounding, so that's okay. But let's do partial products and make sure we have the same answer for partial products. Now, partial products is the same thing as the window method we've done before. That's basically partial products, so you can do that method if you'd like. So I've got a window, I can do 20 and 1. And I can do 30 and 5. And then I've got 600 here. I have 30 here. I'm going to get 100 there, and I'm going to get 5 there. And you need to add those up. And you can do it anyway. You could rewrite them. But if I just look here, okay, 600 plus 100, that gives me 700. 30 plus 5 is 35. 735 is good. And I have the same as my lattice method, so it's probably correct. Let's just do one more. I think that would be enough. 17 times 43, it's going to be something like close to 20 times 40. So again, something close to 800. And I'm going to skip the lattice method and just go straight to partial products for this. So 17 times 43. Hold on. If you're doing it like this, you're risking your chance of making a mistake. So we'll just see how it goes. It's cleaner if you do it with the window method. But I'm going to start with 3. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 10 is 30. And now what I do 40 next. So 40 times 7 will give me 280. 40 times 10 is going to give me 400. And then my final answer, I should have 731. And again, that's close enough to my estimate with the rounding that I did that it should be okay. But you're going to do the lattice method too, so you can check that. And then last part is the ones here. You can do any method you want, your favorite method to solve those, and that is it for this home link. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.